In this video, we're going to talk about solving inequalities. And basically, an inequality just means that we have a greater than sign, a less than, or greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, instead of an equal sign. So we solve it very similar to an equation, but we just have this inequality sign there. So like with an equation, our ultimate goal is to get that x by itself. So first step to doing that, I'm going to subtract 2 from each side. So those 2 minus 2 is 0. So I've got 3x. I'm going to carry down that inequality sign. So 3x is greater than 15. Again, just like if this were equals, my next step is the 3 is multiplying by x. I'll divide by 3 so that I can cancel it out because 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I'm left with my 1x is greater than 5. And that's it. So that's our solution here. X can be anything greater than 5, which sometimes it helps to show that on a number line. So I'm going to just do a quick sketch of a number line. Here's my 5. X can't be 5, so it has to be greater than 5. So I put that open circle to show it's not 5 itself, but then I shade over here to show it's anything greater. Or instead of the open circle, sometimes you'll see parentheses notation instead. So at the 5, I'll put a parentheses and everything greater. I'm using the parentheses with the greater than sign. If I had greater than or equal to, I would use a squared off bracket. And same with the less than. This just gets a round parentheses. This gets the squared off bracket. Sorry, I did that in the opposite order that it should be. This should go, let me just erase that quick, just to have the directions the way they ought to be. This one should be going that way. This one should be going that way. Anyhow, and the last way I might want to show my solution is to use just this shortened interval notation. The x can go from 5 up to infinity. So that's the basic idea. But there is one little exception to just keeping it like an equal sign, an equation. If we multiply or divide by a negative number, we have to flip the inequality sign. So I'm going to do a quick example of that. So in this equation, I'm going to start similarly to last time. I'll subtract 3 from each side. That doesn't affect anything. We keep our less than sign plus 8. I mean, it doesn't affect anything in terms of the inequality. Now I have x's in 2 places. So I want to get these 7x's to the other side with my 5x. So now I've got negative 2x is less than 8. Now I've got to divide by negative 2 on each side. So x, and this is where that rule comes in. I'm going to flip that. So now x is greater than negative 4. So that